Hope in the waves. When we talk about the Philippines, we think of our clear blue seas, the fresh air by the beach, and the sound of waves that calms our hearts. The sea is a big part of who we are. It provides us with food, jobs, and the wonderful memories with our families. But today, our oceans are not as healthy as they used to be. Plastic, oil spills, and trash are slowly destroying the beauty of our waters. Waste that we carelessly throw away is killing fish, turtles, and other marine life. Our coral reefs, which are home to many sea creatures, are turning white and lifeless. As one saying goes, ang kalikasan ay hindi minana. Ito ay isang pamana na dapat nating ingatan. We must protect what we have before it's too late. But there is still hope. Many Filipinos are taking actions. Students join coastal cleanups, families say no to single-use plastic, and communities work together to save mangroves and marine life. Because even small actions matter. Kasi kung gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, may dahilan. If we truly love our country, we'll find a way to take care of it. The ocean has always taken care of us. Now, it's our turn. Let's protect it, not just for today, but for the children who will swim in this water someday. Para sa kalikasan, para sa kinabukasan. Thank you.